Governments all over the world, including our own, are taking unprecedented steps to arrest the spread of this pandemic and indeed to flatten the curve of its spread. Different measures are being taken across the globe, depending on every country's unique circumstances. But what is clear from experiences around the world is that the pandemic is likely to continue spreading with lethal effect without decisive action. So, fellow Kenyans, there is a choice that we are asked to make as a government and to make as a people. Do we carry on as normal, or treat this like an extraordinary emergency, which it is, and fundamentally change the way we act and behave? I believe we must choose the latter, because even as we pray for the best, we must be ready for the worst. It is in moments like this that the character of a people and the destiny of a nation is truly clarified. Fellow Kenyans, today we are being called upon by our children and our children's children to show the greatness in us by how we respond to this virus. If we act, as I believe we should, like the fingers folded into a fist, we can stop the damage that this pandemic can cause to our nation. Our greatness will not be revealed by soldiers in uniform this time. It will show in the sacrifices that we make to protect one another. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, wearing your mask and washing hands does indeed save lives. The bravery and dedication of our medical personnel, should this pandemic continue to escalate, will truly demonstrate the mettle of our nation. And I indeed have faith in Kenyans. I know how we struggle through pain and tears to be there for our families. But now it is our time to turn out for the duration of this global pandemic. We must turn out for our country by taking the following measures, as I have said severally, as simple as they may be, and we must stick to them. We must endeavor to wear masks when we are amongst our people. We must clean our hands with soap for at least 20 seconds and do so several times a day. We must continue to avoid all areas with people who will be closer to you than 1.5 meters. We must, I repeat, heed and comply with government directives. We must take extra care not to expose those who are over 58 years, and also to our brothers and sisters who are suffering from various chronic ailments. So, fellow Kenyans, having received advice from our medical professionals and experts, today we do say that Kenyans should wear masks while in public places. I know that there will be thousands of tailors from all over the country who will also look to make these masks, and we encourage them to do so. the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Industry and Trade will endeavor to ensure that all these tailors are provided with the right information through the national government administrative officers on the kind of materials required and the proper method of piecing the fabrics together to make the face masks and to ensure that they are effective. Their success, however, will need all of us as individual citizens to comply with the different directives, and we as a people to be united.